Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Discounts are great until they start cutting into your profits. Let me show you how to set a hard limit on percentage code in Shopify so you stay in control. Before we start, make sure to subscribe our channel. Imagine giving $800 off single order just because of percentage code. Painful, right? In this tutorial, we will add a maximum discount cap so this never happens again. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have added the link to the app in the description box. Just check it out. And stick with me, I will show you how to set it up step by step. Once install it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose the discount type as the discount code and just give the discount code as 200. I'm now giving flat 200 here and the 10% discount of a capping amount of 200. I'm setting the discount should be applicable for all my products. It can be for specific collection or a specific products. For now, I'm adding for all my products. And I'm not giving any minimum purchase requirement here. So I'm choosing the first option. In case of customer eligibility, I'm just choosing the customer has a tag, which means that the customer with having a tag VIP will be applicable for this offer. And I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. For example, if I'm adding 100 means this discount will be applicable for the 100 customers. And I can also set a start date and an end date through which the discount will be available. And I can also combine the discount with the existing discounts like product, order, or shipping discounts. After adding all this, just save the changes. Once saved it, go to the discount section and check whether the code is got activated or not. In case of customer section, I'm checking the customer with the VIP tag. Now we can test this setup in our online store. Now my card is having a amount of 8,000. So I'm now trying to check out. My code is flat 200. Now this showing as it's not valid because this is valid only for the customer with VIP tag. Now I'm adding again. Now the discount is applied even though the 10% of 8,000 at 800, since we have set up a capping amount as 200, this is not exceeding the 200 in the amount. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Thanks for watching.